Yeah, he's sitting on the roof.
Stay like here, like they call 44 come to your working area and over to the drawer register.
Yeah. 13115 something like that. Copy, Danny, pump one.
Yeah, 131, 257 from Hansel Unit.
257. Yeah, 912, 998. 988 Ray, channel 3 please. Three to four, that's fuel 4. Sequence 8 is holding JP. Yeah, please.
Copy, Danny, pump one.
Just the OCP is shoot all of us.
Over the drawer rig, NW10.
Shoot.
So, yeah, can I come to your work area? Just at the entrance, please.
Point 3, 2, 3, 4. The truck has just come onto the RCP, you can chuck that in the hopper, thanks. Yeah, copy that. Truck on the road, 48 cold. Clear for the hopper.
RCPV. Copy, West Morningstar.
We're receiving Hamish.
Channel 2, mate. Yeah, grade 6 right underneath me.
Yeah, 269. No, JT, don't worry about it, just started, mate. Yeah, 2 mate. Krusty might need some. No, wait a minute. We'll just sort of put it in, mate. Thanks.